Hello everybody, here's my wife here, and she's going to be making her steak bites recipe for you guys today. And it's pretty simple and easy, but she's going to explain it to you, she's going to walk y'all through it, and show you how to make it.
Okay. Uh, I marinate the beef. This is like a sirloin meat, and I cut it in cubes. So I marinate it with soy sauce. Like maybe that's like 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, and then 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce to make it a little sweeter, and then magic syrup, of course, and then pepper and salt,
And that's
and then
all in the marinade, that's already put in there
yeah.
and mixed up, and then you let it set for a while with that,
Yeah. So now I'm gonna cook the meat. So first we're gonna fry the meat. We put olive oil, but let's wait because I think this is bigger pan, so it will take us a while. Yeah. I think it's okay.
Are you
Er,
going to saute the garlic and stuff first?
yeah. So we put there. It's heating up now. So let's put a little olive oil because we're gonna put this one, the garlic margarine. So it will be like a little garlicky. Maybe it's hard. Okay. More. Because we have lots of beef to fry. And this is just for the garlic taste lang. So yung not may kilikili yan. There. Oh no. So let's put this there. And I think it's hot na. Babe, it's hot.
Turn it down a little bit so you can adjust the temperature here.
Yeah. So let's put that in medium heat. Is that medium heat or high heat? Or this is medium?
This is like a regular, kind of like a medium, that's 1600. That's
Okay.
fine.
So let's just wait for the butter to I think it's good, huh? So let's put now the
You put the garlic first?
no, this one's for the sauce.
Is that a separate recipe or it goes with it?
Later, we'll see. So let's put
This is a marinated beef.
because we're gonna cook the sauce later. So let's just cook this for like 2 to 3 minutes because we don't want like gummy beef. So only for 2 to 3 minutes because we're gonna do the sauce. 1 2 to 3 minutes. I don't have my watch. See, it's
I
cooking.
guess really you can cook it however long you like your meat to be cooked. If you like more of a rare meat, then you can do it for less amount of time. If you like your meat well done, just cook it until it's well done.
Yeah, maybe that one. Can you smell? Did you smell it na ba?
Yeah, that's really good.
Can pass the other thing.
You just toss it around in there.
Yeah. Like for each side of the beef. I think I should have. Use the ano na lang, fork. Then this ano, spatula. So let's just wait until it's a little cooked.
She's gonna wash this real quick and rinse this, so
Yeah, gonna watch.
that way we can put this in there.
Yeah, do that sous chef.
And I'll toss the meat in. Where this is like a thin strips and like a small pieces, it cooks really fast. If this was like a big steak, it would take a lot longer to cook.
I think that's okay na. I think it's big, ano na, 2 to 3 minutes. So let's turn the heat down.
That's all.
Yeah, and then later we're gonna cook it with the sauce. There. So let's not remove the, what do you call that? The sauce, the marinade, because we're gonna cook the meat, the garlic in there. Because that's good.
For those of y'all that y'all don't know, if y'all think that this meat is like too rare, it's just how we like it. I like mine medium well, and she likes hers medium, just medium, right? Or
Yeah,
medium rare.
yeah, medium.
But she likes hers
Just in the
medium,
middle.
so this is basically like a medium. There might be a few pieces in there that's medium well, and if it's not done enough for me, I might just throw them back in there for just a few seconds. But they all look good to me.
This is, I think this is already medium, medium. And we're gonna cook it back because we're gonna make the sauce and we're gonna toss it to the sauce.
Uh, so you toss it back in there again.
Yeah. This is my own style of the steak bites. So many naman pala. There. I think this is too much. Because we're gonna put butter. No?
Okay, some of it'll boil out of the way. It'll cook down
Okay.
in yours.
Okay, because it's how you like it naman. So, let's open up again and fry, I mean, yeah, cook it a little. And this time, we're gonna put butter.
That was what she put earlier was this. It's a garlic margarine,
Yeah,
but now she's gonna put like an actual butter in there.
yeah. Maybe this is like a tablespoon of butter. Mm. There, it's like a little, ano na, what do you call that? Yeah,
Simmer,
yeah, but I mean like,
thicker.
yeah, all that one, thicker. Then we cook it with the garlic. So let the garlic cook there. Don't worry if it turns like a little, ano na, a little less sauce. Because that's how you're supposed to cook it.
It's supposed to be thicker, so when you do toss this back in there, it's gonna be like kind of like a glaze on these.
Yeah.
It's all gonna get sticky because the garlic and the garlic absorbs some of the moisture, and the rest of the moisture goes up. So it's going to be like a thicker glaze almost when you toss these back in there.
Yeah.
They're going to be absolutely delicious.
So I'm gonna put this back while it's cooking.
I'm going to toss it around. Make sure it doesn't get burned.
Yeah, it won't.
Because you got to watch your garlic. Garlic does burn pretty quick and easy. So just keep stirring it in there. See, it's already starting to burn now.
Lower the heat. Lower.
I'm trying to keep it out of the middle because that's where it's starting to burn at.
Yeah. Just let the ano lang, the garlic get cooked lang. Because we need it a little softer. It smells good. Okay, let me see. Okay. Uy, uy, uy. I think this is good. Yeah. So let's toss the beef back. So all the garlic flavor will get to the beef. Just mix it well with the sauce. So I think the sauce got in there. So let's wait for it. This we're done. Let's just wait for like 2 minutes to get it cooked, and then you can add more pepper if you want it like little peppery. So it's just for you to taste na lang and how you want it to taste. But for us, it's like a little sweet or sweeter but salty. Just a little sweet lang because of the soy sauce. Ay, the oyster sauce.
So the oyster sauce is sweet.
A little. But it's mostly like soy sauce, a little sweeter. So we already cooked our rice too, so we're good to eat. So this 2 minutes. For me, I like more peppers. I'll put
Me
it.
too. I like a lot of pepper in
Thank you,
everything.
Al.
The pepper flavor just gives it that extra kick that it needs.
Yeah, and we use a Kirkland pepper, so it will be tastier. There, tasty. So I think it's done na, because it's getting thicker na. There, it's done na. So let's just turn the heat down or turn off the heat. So it's done. It's so simple, you can make it too. But this is my own style of my um, garlic butter steak bites. So there.
I guess that's all for this one. What was you gonna say?
Yeah, so don't worry about the things here like the splashes because we always clean it well.
Yeah,
Because
we
I
wipe
love
it.
cleaning.
We wipe it and clean it after every video and after
Yeah.
every time we cook.
Yeah, because I love cleaning. So that's it for this video. I hope you like this one, and this is my own style. So hope you like it. Try it.
You guys try this
Try this
recipe.
one. Because I'm so proud of this.
I guess that's all for this one. I hope y'all enjoyed it. We love y'all. God bless y'all. Make sure to like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Share us to Facebook if you want to. It'll help us out a lot, and we do really appreciate it. And it's completely free. To
Yeah.
everything that we ask for you guys is all free. Any share or subscribe or like, that's all free. So just hit that subscribe button. We love y'all. God bless y'all.
Yeah.
We'll see y'all on the next one.
Bye bye.